Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be revealing to you the number one secret that ticket brokers do not want you to know. So what could possibly be the secret? Well, the secret is pretty simple. It's this idea of these pre-sale codes. And in order to understand what these codes are, you have to kind of get an idea of what a pre-sale is. So let's take a look at that. The definition, as described by Ticketmaster themselves, is a period of time when certain event tickets go on sale to a specific group of fans, and it's usually as a reward for their membership or customer loyalty. In advance or during the pre-sale time frame, these select fans are given a code which allows them to search for tickets to buy, and fans are given the opportunity to buy ahead of other fans who don't have the code. So it may sound a little complicated, but basically it's a period of time before they go on sale to the general public where certain people can buy tickets. Now there's a very big list of these pre-sales. It's going to be a little extensive, but here it is. There's a Ticketmaster pre-sale, Ticketmaster social pre-sale, VIP, venue, credit card, fan club, album, fan club, bundle, team pre-sale, radio pre-sale, Spotify, Live Nation. There's even more than this. This is just a portion of the list. So this might seem a little intimidating. Where are you going to get these pre-sale codes, and where are you going to actually find them and hunt them down? So why would you want these pre-sale codes though? Well, the pre-sale usually gives you discounted prices, and it gets you in days before anyone else. So you have a much better chance at getting tickets. And this makes sense, right? I mean, you're getting in before the general public, so there's much less competition, and you're going to be able to get tickets at an affordable price because they usually have them discounted for specific people. Now, you would actually have to hunt these down and try to find them. And there's a good chance if you're doing this, just with Google searches or things like that, you're probably not going to find them. It is hard to find these pre-sales, and you do have to do an extensive amount of research. That's just for the code, let alone knowing which events will be profitable. So what our program is actually going to do for you is we're going to give you these codes, and we're going to include them with our alerts. And these alerts will actually tell you exactly which events will be profitable. So all that work and research is going to be done for you. And our experts do intense research on these things. They've been doing this for over a decade now. So we're actually going to give you these codes included with these alerts. And you can click the link down below to learn more about our program and what it has to offer. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, and take care. Bye-bye.